Is debt settlement right for every debtor? Debt settlement is not right for everyone. It is right if you want to avoid bankruptcy, repair your credit, or have grounds to repay a lower amount of a particular debt. You may have debt that was charged off a year, even 5 years ago, that you can still settle even though the statute of limitations for collections has expired. The benefit of settlement, even after the statute of limitations has expired, is that you can repair your credit and resolve any security clearance issues for your employment if you need to maintain a security clearance. If you decide to settle this debt, a debt settlement attorney could help you contact the creditor and resolve the debt for a significantly lower amount. Debt settlement can position you to repair your credit. Debt settlement is not suitable for every debtor. Debt settlement is beneficial for those wanting to avoid bankruptcy or repair credit. Debt settlement can be pursued even after the statute of limitations has expired. If you feel overwhelmed by financial issues, it's time to reach out to a bankruptcy law expert. Get your finances back on track with Kindlund Legal LLC's Virginia Consumer Bankruptcy Lawyers in Loudoun County by visiting our website at www.kindlundlegal.com. We look forward to speaking with you.